In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok bio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to write a bio that represents you or your brand clearly. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. From the main screen, look for the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. Go ahead and tap that. This takes you to your TikTok profile dashboard, where you can see your profile picture, username, follower count, and your current bio if you already have one. On this profile page, you'll see a button labeled Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Profile to open your profile settings. This is the place where you can change things like your profile picture, display name, username, and of course, your bio. Take a quick moment to look around so you know what else is available, but for now, we're going to focus on the bio section. Next, find the field labeled Bio. Tap directly into that bio field. If you already have a bio, it will appear there and you can delete or edit it. If it's empty, you'll start from scratch. Now type in your new bio. TikTok usually has a character limit, so keep your message short, clear, and to the point. You might want to include who you are, what kind of content you create, or a simple call to action, like inviting people to follow or check out your other social platforms. Avoid adding any personal sensitive information such as emails, phone numbers, or passwords. Keep it safe and professional. As you type, think about how it will look to someone visiting your profile for the first time. Read it over for spelling or grammar mistakes and make sure it sounds like you. If you're not sure what to write, you can start with something simple and come back to improve it later. Once you're happy with your new bio, look for the Save option, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap Save to apply your changes. TikTok will update your profile and you'll be taken back to your profile dashboard, where you can now see your new bio live on your page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your TikTok bio and updated how you present yourself to your audience.